morning all. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we will start with our new chapter in your EVS, and our chapter's name is Food for Health. Our chapter name is Food for Health. And what was our previous chapter? Yes, that was keeping healthy. And this chapter is also related to our health. Okay, children? Food for health. So, get ready with your book. Open this chapter, Food for Health, and listen to me carefully. Okay, children? Sit straight and listen to me carefully. Okay? So, first of all, you just please tell me, why do we need food? Why do we need food, children? Yes, of course, we need food to grow. Okay? We need food to get energy. Yes, we need food to get energy. Energy for what? Yes, energy to work and play. If you will not eat food, you will not get energy. Okay? You will not feel fit and active whole day. Okay? So, every living being need food. Living being means human beings, animals, all animals, and even plant also need food. You know? Why do plant need food? Suppose, children, if we will not water our plant, what will happen? Plant will die. Okay? So plant get food from the sunlight and from water also. So these are the food for plants. And what is our food? From where we get food? Do you know from where we get food? Yes, we get food from plant and animals. Plant. You must be thinking, how can we get food from plants? Right, children? So, I am telling you, how can we get food from plants? See, plants give us so many things. Plants give us fruits, plants give us vegetables, and fruits and vegetables you all like to eat, right, children? Plant give us cereals. Cereals means wheat, rice, okay? Plants give us spices. Do you know what is the meaning of spices? Spices means spices. Spices means things like your mama cooks food now. So if your mama is cooking vegetable or paneer vegetable, suppose your mama will not add any spices in that vegetable, that vegetable will not, she can't make it tasty. Okay, so to make tasty food, we add some spices in our food, in our vegetables. So spices also we get from plants, children. Okay, so here I am writing, we get food from plant and animal. Plant and animal. Just now I told you what are the things which we get from plants. So from plants we get cereals. Cereals means wheat, rice, जो गेहूं और चावल होते हैं ना, उनको बोलते हैं cereals. Okay, children? Pulses. Pulses also we get from plant. Pulses means different दाल. आपने देखा होगा अपने घर में mama cooks दाल, कभी yellow वाली, कभी red वाली. So those are called pulses. Okay? And spices, I just told you spices. Spices means मसाले. मसाले जो हमारे खाने को tasty बनाते हैं. Okay? So these are the things we get from plants, children. Okay? So here I am writing. You don't write abhi right now. Okay? These are the things I am just explaining you. Okay? So plant like fruits, vegetable, cereal, pulses. Okay children. Now come to animals. You must be thinking, why ma'am has written animals? How can animals give us food? But of course animals give us food. You know how? See, egg. We get egg from chicken. Yes, we get egg from hen. Hen gives us egg. Hen and duck. Okay. And milk. Everybody likes milk. And you know, milk is a complete food. And from where we get milk? Of course, cow and buffalo. So, egg, milk and meat. Right, children? Chickens, fish. I know some of you don't like to eat these meat, chicken, egg, fish. But these are also food and people like to eat. Okay. So, from animals we get milk. Milk though everybody likes, right children? So, milk. We can write here milk, egg, meat, fish. Some people like fish, and you know fish is energy giving food. It gives us energy. It builds our body. So these are also very important food. Okay, for our health. So we get food from plants and animals as well. Okay children. So this much is clear to you. Why do we need food? Everybody, can you answer me? Why do we need food? We need food to grow. We need food to get energy. And we need food to get energy to work and play. Okay children? And my next question is, from where we get food? And we get food from plants and animals. You have to learn this question. We get food from plants and animals. Right children? So these two questions are clear to you all? Everybody? Can I proceed? Yes. Okay. So I am rubbing here. No need to write children. Now come to our next topic. Just now I told you we get food from plant and animals. Okay children. Now I am going to tell you about people who eat food from plant and people who eat food from animals. What do we call? Okay. So what do we call the people who eat food from plants? Yes, we call them vegetarian. What do we call them? Vegetarian. Such a long word, right children? And you have to read this word and learn also with the spelling. So, people who eat food only from the who eat food obtained from plants only. We call them vegetarian. जो लोग वही फूड खाते हैं जो कि हमें प्लांट्स से मिलते हैं. ओके, प्लांट्स से मिलते हैं लाइक vegetables, different kinds of vegetables, fruits, cereals, spices, pulses, so many things we get from plants. So some people eat only the food which we get from plants and those are called vegetarian. What do we call them? Vegetarian. Right children? And people who eat food which we get from animals, what do we call them? Yes, non-vegetarian. What do we call them? Non-vegetarian. N-O-N, non, and same word, vegetarian. Non-vegetarian. And those who are non-vegetarian, they eat egg, They eat fish, they eat egg, they eat fish, and they eat chickens, they eat meat. Okay, but they eat food from plant also. Okay, it is not compulsory that अगर वे फिश खाते हैं या चिकन्स खाते हैं, मीट खाते हैं, तो वे वो फूड नहीं खाएंगे जो उनको प्लांट से मिलता है. प्लांट से मिलने वाले फूड तो चिल्ड्रन सभी खाते हैं. ओके, एवरीबडी लाइक्स टू ईट फूड दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. बिना उसके तो हम रह ही नहीं सकते, राइट? बिना फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स के बताओ कोई रह सकता है? नहीं ना. एवरीबडी लाइक्स टू ईट fruits and vegetables. Okay, but some people like to eat different kind of food sometimes, like right, chicken, meat. Okay, and these also are very good for our health. Okay, for our body, for our energy. They also give us energy. They build our bodies, this kind of food. Okay, so there are two type of people: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian who eat food which we get only from plant, and non-vegetarian who eat food who eat food which we get from animals. Okay, so vegetarian and non-vegetarian, two kind of people are there. So it is clear to you? Everybody clear? Okay, so vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Again I am repeating, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So vegetarian are those who eat food only from which we get from plant, and non-vegetarian people who eat food which we get from animals as well as from plant also. They like to eat both kind of food. Okay, non-vegetarian. But vegetarian only, they eat only that kind of food which we get from plant. That much is clear to you all? Okay, now do one thing. Everybody will open notebook. Okay, get ready with your notebook. Here I am writing some words which you have to write. Okay, everybody get ready with your pencil, eraser and EVS notebook. Write down the date and chapter name, Food for Health. I am writing here some word which you have to write. Okay. Energy. Our first word is energy. What is our first word? Energy. Second word, spices. 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 How to analyze this word? We will just blend this word. Spices. So that you can learn this spelling. Spices. Okay. Next word, vegetarian. 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 Next word, non-vegetarian is also same, so I am not writing non-vegetarian. Okay. Next word I am writing here, pulses. 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 One more word, cereals. Number 5 I am writing here, cereals. These are our 5 words which you have to write in your notebook. Again I am repeating, energy, spices, vegetarian, pulses and cereals. I told you meaning of cereals. See, meaning of cereals means wheat, rice, maize, and like in Hindi I am telling you gehu, chawal, makka, bajra. These all are cereals. Okay children. So just write down these 5 words. You are supposed to write these words in your EVS notebook. I hope you all have noted down. I am rubbing it. Okay children. Now children, I am going to give you homework. Okay. After these 5 words, in the next page, you have to do little homework. I am going to give you homework. This will be your homework. You have to draw and write food which we get from plant and food which we get from animals. Okay? Draw. You can color also with your pencil color. Draw in color. But write the names also. Okay? So, here I am writing. Draw and write food which you get from plant and animals. Write down, just write down this homework children. Draw and write food which you get from plant and animals. And to do this homework, you have to do one thing. You will put heading food. Just write down. Then I'll explain how to do homework. Okay? Just note down this. So I'll tell you how to do homework. Okay? Have you noted down? Can I rub? Very good. So this way you will do your homework. You will put heading here food. Okay? And here one column you will draw from animal. Plant. First of all, plant. Okay? And here from animal. This way you will make, and now here you will draw pictures of food that we get from plant, and here you can draw pictures of food that we get from animals, like egg. You can make like egg here. Okay? And here you can draw fish. Okay? So you can take help from your book also. It is given in your book. Okay? So just go through the chapter and just see. See from your book, you can do it. Okay? And one more important thing children. That in our next video, I will read this chapter and you also will read along with me. So I will read this chapter in our next video. Okay children? So do this homework. Till then, bye and take care.